Hey guys, welcome to Devodom, and in today's video we are going to see some job updates and all the links in the description, so you can directly go and apply for the job. So let's start. So first job opening is in the TEKsystems. So they are hiring for technical recruiters, and you should need 0 to 6 months of experience. So education must be BTech or MBA. Candidates must be immediate joiners. So the drive is on 12th of September 2025 at 10 a.m. The location is given here at Bangalore. Okay. So you can go and there you can give the interviews as well. So here the mail ID is given. You can send your updated resume there. Okay. So now second hiring is software developer engineer 1, that is SD1, conducted by the Cloud Hire. Okay, so this is the job description. Okay, the skills required are React.js, Node.js, and PostgreSQL. Okay, so you should know about it, and the qualification must be B or BTech. Okay, these two qualifications must be there, then only you can apply, and you should have the skills. Okay, and you can simply hit this button and you can directly apply for this job. Next hiring is conducted by the Tesco India. Okay, so it is for the position of system engineer 1. Okay, and familiar with HTML, CSS, jQuery libraries. You should have problem solving skills, innovation, and creativity skills. Okay, and you can just click on it and you can directly apply for this job. So next hiring is connected by the key ideas. Okay, so it is also for the position of software developer trainee, and the requirements are you should have strong programming and problem solving skills. At backend you should know .NET, PHP, Node.js or MongoDB, and in front end you should have idea about React.js, Next.js, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, Ajax, and JavaScript. Okay, and in the database like SQL, RDMS, and REST APIs. Okay, you should also have the basic understanding of the GitHub and SDLC. Okay, so this much you should have knowledge about it, so you can directly apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the ChangePond. Okay, so it is the position for the IT freshers. Okay, like software developer, engineer, or trainee. Okay, so you should have at least 70% in your 10th, 12th, or diploma. Okay, and CGPA must be 7 or greater than 7 in the college. Okay, this hiring is for 2023, 2024, and 2025 batch only, and education must be BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Okay, and all these branches. Okay, AI, ML, data science, ECE, IT, and all. Okay, so you can simply fill this form and you can directly apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Seagate. Okay, so Seagate is hiring for intern automation and the location is Pune. Okay, so the roles and responsibilities must be you should have the idea about programming in Python, C, C++, Java. Okay, so this much you have idea, so you can directly apply for the job. So you should also have the idea about the algorithms and data structure knowledge. Okay, like DSA, you should have the idea about it. Ability to quickly learn new tools and technologies. Okay, so you should be a flexible, and you should also have to develop and execute test cases and generate reports. Okay, for that you should have idea about this all. Okay, so you can read the description and all. Okay, so you can hit this apply now and you can apply for the job. Okay, so this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.